I'm a badass bitch. Shut your mouth.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Novia Aesthetics. My name is Alyssa and I'm here to welcome you to my family. If you are actually interested in how I got this look, I suggest you to keep watching. If you have not become a part of my family, if you are part of my family, hit the subscribe button, hit your likes, give me thumbs up. Now if you have comments, anything you need or want to know anything more on maybe how to keep a body in shape or maybe where I got this magnificent sweater for a good $13, who knows? I have a lot in store for you guys, so welcome to my family, babes. So guys, right now we're gonna get into the palette, Edwards. So I am really excited about this palette. Why, you can tell me. I honestly think it has a lot of beautiful colors that so we're gonna get into the palette now. I'm just gonna start dabbing the ends of this. So you see how that purple just like looks ba-bam. It's called believe for a reason. You gotta believe in it. You gotta believe in it. So I'm just adding at the end and going in a little at the beginning, just so I can get this purple in here. So got some up there. I'm just gonna do a few more times. It makes it look good. So I'm gonna do the same thing. All right. So we have that down. So next I'm in the D.D.G now. I'm gonna just tap my brush on it. So I'm just gonna go on the ends and just color it in on this side. All right. So now I'm honestly gonna go back in with Believe It with my other Anastasia brush. Just a little bit of it. I'm gonna go right in those edges again. Alright, so guys, now I'm actually gonna take my concealer, actually clean up the beginning so that we can get in there and finish the rest up. I got some concealer on my eyelashes, but that's okay, we can always fix that later. So let's just go in on with my concealer brush. So I'm just gonna go in the beginning of the eye. As you see, I'm loving the way it actually blended. Alright, so now I'm gonna take my Moda Pro brushes. I'm gonna add this in the front of this look. We got a good looking so far. So I'm just gonna go in real quick on over this with some glitter just because I want it to pop more. Then I'll clean up. I'm using from Essentials actually. It's a cream. I'm using it for the bottom of my lid. Now, to clean up the mess, we're taking going in to clean up the mess. Right, pretty much those three colors, we came up with this. And I'm gonna clean up everything else, and I'm gonna go in and show you guys excitingly how it fully looks when I finish the rest of my face.
I'm a badass bitch. Shut your mouth, I'm a badass bitch.
We got this look with using the ALYSSA Anastasia palette. So if you're actually not a part of this family, boo babes, guys, girls, let me tell you, hit that subscribe button because you don't want to miss out. This is not only just going to be basically about makeup, topics about hair. We're going to do both mixturing mixed with lifestyle fashion reviews, and we're going to be talking about advice. We're going to be talking about working out and making sure life is healthy and life is good. I have a lot in store for you guys, and trust me, you don't want to miss out.
With new sex, yeah, they on me and they down to blow his checks.